Girl, you make your mama cry. Dry your eyes, look to the sky. Look to the stars and to your scars in your body. Searching love and searching light. Are you with me with closed eyes? Doesn't matter now, wrong or right. Everybody's serious now, but you just find it funny. You're going through changes, I feel it, I'm on. Outdated feeling was drugs, they kill you, stop, come on. I can be savage always for you like a pawn, but just face it, you can work it all out alone. With you I lose myself, then I find myself. You gotta think first and stop pleading help. You gotta think first, for real. Too much words spoken, just numb your pain with this pill. Too many people out of here, you are closest. Everybody got an issue with being honest. I need the time to rearrange my thoughts, but it's time for change, you better know it. So people falling down in pieces. I was shocked, so I dodged to say it. So I do nothing, all I do is wait, waiting for my undeniable fate. Girl, you make your mama cry. Dry your eyes, look to the sky. Look to the stars and to your scars in your body. Searching love and searching light. Are you with me with closed eyes? Doesn't matter now, wrong or right. Everybody's serious now, but you just find it funny. My fear don't let me climb on it. Only problem is my fear. Stronger than my feelings, stronger than your tears. That could wash me from dirt. Fear that been holding me from birth. I was born with fear and I'm living with it. Terrified to come near, my fear could feel it. So every day I tryna keep up my chill from this heat. Make you believe everything you see. Disappearing actions again, I'm all on my knees. God, I'm all on my knees. I only remember you when I need you. So I'm gathering my effort to reach you. Maybe that's mistake that could teach me. I don't wanna be lied again. Is this real? If it is, just flinch me. I can reach up too high evidently. But this silence and gloom, I need privacy to fix this correctly. I allow money, but people tryna rent me. Fuck you, just getting too envy. Maneuver your actions, y'all gon' remember me.